Animated video backgrounds can elevate your Canva videos. So in this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can create an animated background like this one in Canva. So let's get started. I'll be using a video dimension, so I'll go to my video and pick a YouTube dimension. So I'll go to my upload to get my image, the image I want to use for this demonstration. Resize it to fit the background. Go to element to find the frame I want. This frame, it is called black circle frame. So I'll use it, select it, and then also resize. Position it to the center. Now I can duplicate this, the image on the background, so we can frame it. So it is now inside the frame. Let's go to position so you can see that. So the image is inside the frame. The next step is to duplicate this page. So I'm going to duplicate page and then return to my first page to increase the size of the image on the background. So I'll increase it and then set it just the way I want it. I will also increase the size of this frame. Position it at the center yet again. And now I can rotate it. Let's rotate to angle 70. And now we can add the match and move transition. So add transition. Increase the duration of this transition. Let's move it to 2. And also reduce the duration of the first video. You can make it to be 1 minute. And I can also reduce this one as well. So you see, you can drag from this end to reduce or go to the timer to reduce it. Now let me play my video so you can see what we have. Simple. So this is how you can create your own, a very simple and straightforward process.